start recording, if you open this both apps now, app as well as your
Hello. Sridhar, I could not get it. Sorry.
Amit.
No, switch off your mic. Your noise is too much. हाँ.
Okay.
किशोर
So
एक
when you
बार
are
किशोर एक बार और एक्सप्लेन करो, वो बैकग्राउंड की वजह से ना कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था मुझे.
okay. First of all, what you have to do is you open your Teams on a web browser.
Yes.
And same time on your app also.
हाँ.
Why? Because if sometimes the app get closed automatically.
हाँ.
In that case, if you have any kind of recording on, that will be distracted and it will not store in your PC.
Right.
If you open simultaneously on a web browser in your PC itself, then it will be easier for you.
Okay.
So the same problem happened for me last time when I was taking the course. Suddenly, after 10 minutes, a lot of sound came and my app is quit itself.
Okay.
Kishore, how whatever you are saying is coming in English writing here? What did you turn on?
Okay, for that you go here. There is an option called turn on live captions.
अच्छा.
Wait.
You click on that. But it is not very good.
Okay.
Because sometimes he may not able to translate properly, I think.
Yeah, that is there.
No,
this only work for these British people, not for us. Okay.
Hello,
Kishore, one problem.
Yes.
Kishore, if I open it both, I have same the voice is very loud because there are two apps. One is app and one is in browser.
No, there you should put your unmute yourself.
Even if it is unmute only.
No, you go to the this one web browser, and you are not doing anything. You are not logging anything here.
Okay.
When you log in, then only that so 2 times it will come. But what I'm saying is just to open your Teams on web browser.
Okay, that's it. So don't.
That's it. That means it is alive.
So
if
don't
the
app
is,
so we don't have to fight.
Kishore, we don't have to start the session on the desktop, no? We only have to start the session here on the app.
No. On the app only you start the session.
Okay. But keep the desktop login on so that in case the app crashes, you can go back to the desktop. Right?
Yes,
this is what you're saying.
Yes. Yeah. That recording will continue without any problem.
Okay.
So can I ask?
Yes.
Whatever you are showing, I could not understand because in right hand side I can see the activity chat, Teams, but I could not find out the recording option.
Where? You want recording option?
Amit, recording is there are 3 dots and on the bottom. Click that. From there you can start or stop recording.
नहीं जो किशोर जो पेज शेयर किया था, जो स्क्रीन शेयर किया था, वो स्क्रीन मेरा somehow नहीं आ रहा. I think I am not in right way.
No, you are in the right place.
No, okay. You minimize your browser. Web browser minimize करो.
Yeah.
Now you able to see now.
नहीं, आपको मैं देख रहा, आपका जो स्क्रीन का जो ये है स्ट्रक्चर है, वो मेरा इधर जो लेफ्ट में जो एक्टिविटी है,
This one activity. This is the one you are talking.
Somehow.
Amit.
Somehow I not find.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let me start. Okay. Now one thing, you keep your browser open and then log in there itself. And then if you want to operate from your desktop app, you start operating. Here, two things I want to show you. First of all, you have to create a team for your class. How to create that one?
Yes.
Okay. The first thing, here in the corner, are you able to see in the right hand side corner?
Yes.
Is it? Yeah, here is called a join or create team.
But that is available only on web browser, not an app.
App may also be available. You go to the teams. Might be you are in the activity. You click on the left hand side, teams.
Teams, yes. Okay.
Okay. Then you will be able to see this one.
Yes.
Are you able to see? No, actually it will be in two different places. I will show you.
It is actually enabled.
Yes, got it.
Okay. I will show you one more settings.
अमित, तुम्हारा माइक चेंज करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, but how can I contact?
You can chat.
You can put in chat your questions.
नहीं तो ये काम करो, कॉल कर सकते हैं. You have landline with you, Amit?
No.
Okay. मोबाइल में कॉल कीजिए, व्हाट्सएप में मैसेज भेज डालो. I will respond.
Okay.
So, okay, you go to the teams. On the left hand side, there is options called activity, chat, teams. Go to the teams.
Yeah.
Then only you will be able to see this picture.
Yes.
Okay. This is the default view. There is another view. I will show you how to. Sometimes if you go to the new place, you may get this kind of view. Amit, bolo. No, you don't need to enable anything. Just click it. The screen. नहीं हो रहा है. So you are not a team member. You. No, forget about that. That I will explain you. Wait a minute. Let me finish this, then I will come back. Okay. Hello. If you go to the settings here, and then go here settings, then there are two options. Grid option. Earlier, you are in the grid option. If you click list option and then close it, now you can see how the team's overview looks like. This is the team view. So what is happening? The join and create team is coming in the down.
Hello. Sorry, I just leave. Better you just continue because I could not get it, and probably people are also getting the disturbance. So I leave it because I could not I could not get it.
Amit,
सुनो एक मिनट सुनो. हेलो.
हाँ बोलिए.
मंजू मैडम के पास स्पेयर वाला है, मांग लो.
मैं आपको फोन करके देखता हूँ उसका.
Okay. आपको कौन सिखाएगा इसके बाद? किशोर.
नहीं, I could not get it. सिखाएगा मतलब मैं कुछ समझ में नहीं आया.
अरे वो सीखा है ना. You tell him your doubt.
Amit, I am coming to you. I will tell you first. Let me finish this one. Then you will be able to see this screen. Okay. Is your screen looks like this?
तुम लीव मत करो, माइक बंद करके सुनो तो थोड़ा सा.
Is it your screen looks like this? The giant create team is in the down.
Hmm.
Then you go to the settings and then put it to grid option. This is the general format, original format. Maybe accidentally you might go to list format. If this is the way, then you will get this one, join or create team here. Now what we have to do is just click on this team, then go to the create team, choose your class. There are 4 options, but don't go for those, the other 3. Those are for different purposes. For teaching purpose, you choose class team and then give a name here. Let's take SPPU FRP. Okay. Otherwise, whatever your course title, whatever you want to give.
आपने IPR का क्लास क्रिएट किया हुआ है क्या?
हाँ.
ठीक है, आपको मुझे उसमें ऐड करना होगा.
वो अमित करेगा ना.
अच्छा.
Okay. So and then you go here next. Then the team is creating now. Okay. You can skip this option here. Then you can do it from outside also. So this is about how to create a team. Now, once a team is created, you need to have members in the team. So what you do is manage team. Click on the manage team. Go to the add member. Otherwise, you can get this add member directly from here. Add member. So earlier we skipped that option. Now it is coming here. Now we go to the teachers. And can someone tell me your number?
9457.
9457. Okay, Shilpi. I'm adding Shilpi as a teacher. So just enter that number. It will automatically detect. If you want to add your students, you have to enter your student role ID. I'll show you that one also. You add this. Once you add, close this one. Now if you see,
Sure.
Yes. Any doubt?
It's written one more there.
No, only one. I'll go there. Yes. Now Shilpi came here. It's taking a little time, huh? So now Shilpi also a owner. If you want to add another faculty as a co-teachers, then add them as a owner. Then they have a access and control on the students. Suppose if you want to add a student, you add a member, go to the students, and then you press some number. I got my students' numbers are here. See, this is one of our students. So I add him. Just press add button. When you add a student, he will go directly to the member. Okay, as a member. But when you add a teacher, they used to go as a owner directly. So if you want to remove your teacher, suppose you have a fight with your teacher, co-teacher, you want to remove from the team, you can't remove directly. There is no remove option comes. What you have to do is you have to make him as a member. Okay. Once they become a member, there is a removal option comes. Okay. Now I remove Shilpi.
Yeah.
For that one, if you want to remove the student, you have access. Once a student, you can also make him as a owner also. Okay. If you don't want, close it.
Kishore,
okay. Again.
Can I ask one question? Right click here.
Yes.
Okay. So I am adding the members, right? But is there a facility that I can send some link and people can join that team?
Yes, that is option. Option is there. I will show you that one also.
Okay.
Okay. Shilpi, can you tell me your number? 9394?
9457.
Okay. So she is not here. This is for only searching option. If you have any members here, you have to search. Then you have to enter the names here. If you have a 60 or 70 students, scrolling will be a big problem though.
Yes.
Then you go here and search here. So now I'm going to add Shilpi here again. Add it. Shilpi. Okay. Shilpi came here. Okay. There is another problem. There is another provision for us. That is tag option is there. If your student, if you have a both teaching MSc and MTech, and maybe teaching for a BSc level and MSc level, you can create your own tag here. Or maybe if you divide your students into a different teams, different groups, then you can add the group name or some name you can be added here. That I will tell you where it will be helpful. SPPU. Okay, because I'm a own teacher, I can't add. Create a SPPU tag. DOS. Okay, you can add these tags here. Okay, this is one way to add. That means here we have a lot of burden to adding. But if you want to avoid this burden, what you have to do is here already we are in the manage team. Means here, go to the settings. Go to the settings. Are you able to see screen full screen? Okay. And then scroll down. And then there is an option called team code. Click that one. Okay. And then click generate. You will get a code.
Kishore,
Okay.
Kishore.
Yes.
So if I don't want to add my students manually, and if I want them to join this team, so if I send them this code, will they be able to join?
Yes, they will be able to join. I will show you how to do that.
Just tell me,
Yeah, just copy this link. You can reset it one. If you feel like it's a complicated, you can reset multiple times also. Let's take this number. I copy it. You just copy that one.
Hello, Kishore.
Yes.
Can you just repeat your last three statements, because my video was means your it was blocked.
Okay.
Okay, just last three statements.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, go to manage team, and then go to settings. Then go to the team code.
Okay.
It is a new team created, just created team. Then there will be option called generate team code.
Okay.
There is a green color option will come. Then you click that one. Then it generates code. Kindly note this code. Let me check. I'll make it a simplified one. Maybe in numbers or something. You can reset multiple times. It will keep on changing. I think it is okay now. You copy this one.
Hello.
Yes.
अभी साउंड ठीक हुआ?
हाँ?
मेरा साउंड ठीक हुआ अभी?
नहीं अभी ये हुआ रहा है.
तो अभी इधर से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Maybe you reduce your volume.
Volume कम ही है.
Okay, it's better than previously. Okay, you just copy this code and share with your students. Okay, I will show you how they can join into your team. Okay, now you copy it in this thing. I'm putting in chat option.
Okay.
You have a chat option. Now chat window.
किशोर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, बैकग्राउंड बहुत है.
Okay. Just I copied and I shared a team code with you in a chat window. Okay. Just copy the chat the code and go back to your team. Go to the teams here. Then click on join or create team.
Okay.
And then there is an option called join a team with a code.
Sorry, I could not get anything. Can I ask
Okay.
from beginning?
Amit,
Hey, Kishore, can I suggest one thing? Are you recording this lecture?
yeah, it's recording.
So we can see it after also, right?
Yeah, but the problem, I already shared one video, recorded video. You people had a problem. That's why I'm giving the hands on.
Acha. No. In case if I want to revisit this thing, I can do that.
Yeah, I'll share that video.
Okay.
Okay. Now from the chat window, there is a code. You just copy that code and you enter here. This is the code I used. Okay.
Sir.
And then click on join team.
Okay.
If you click that one, you will be a part of the team. Let me see how many had done this exercise. Shailesh, can you do that?
Just I will do that.
Yeah. Please proceed. It will be easier for me. So
Kishore, same member can be a part of the owner and the member also?
yeah, so the same.
I did this.
They will join as a member only. They can't be a owner.
Okay.
Sir.
If you want to add a yes.
I joined this. I joined.
Shailesh joined. Okay.
सर
अमित बोलो.
आप ऑलरेडी सेंटेंस ग्रामर सब जगह चला गया बट मुझे अभी एबीसीडी ठीक से नहीं आ रहा.
ओके अभी एक चैट विंडो से ये कॉपी करो पहले.
चैट विंडो में ओपन किया बट ऐसे कुछ नहीं है.
चैट विंडो में एक नंबर है ये वाला है 85Q5F देखा है?
नहीं.
Okay, I will paste in your WhatsApp. WhatsApp में भेज दिया मैंने, चेक करो. Take that thing and then go to Teams main page. Either join or create team. You click on that and then go to here, join a team with a code option is there. There enter that code and then click join team. And then Amit still not came. This works only for members. It don't work for the owners. Owners you have to add manually. Otherwise, the other way is if you want like Amul as added as a member now. I can make him as a owner.
Hello.
Yes.
सर मुझे लगा बहुत एडवांस डाटा में इसके पहले कभी यूज नहीं किया तो आई रियली कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द अल्फाबेट एंड यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेंटेंस.
Okay, I will work on your team. Can you share your screen? Okay, I will show you where to share the screen. Here is the option.
Yeah, share किया.
Yeah, उधर select करो.
हाँ, इधर एक्टिविटी.
हाँ?
इधर सिलेक्ट करो.
Share option is there ना? Share content.
हाँ, शेयर किया.
वो share करो. And then choose your screen one.
Screen one.
Wait a minute. I'm removing my sharing screen. Now, yeah, now you do. Share your screen. Are you able to see that video option and then there is
yeah,
okay
yeah.
next to that there is a share content.
Yeah, I share.
Click that share.
Yeah, I did.
Click here. Then
Yeah.
there is an option called desktop screen one.
नहीं
You and
नहीं
micro.
नहीं आया.
No. Can you switch on your video call and show me? WhatsApp video call. Okay, show me your screen. Oh, can you turn it? Turn it. Okay, fine. Okay, there is an option called screen one.
Which one?
Screen one. There is a black bottom block is there, no? On your desktop. Wait. There is an option called screen one option.
Right hand side, left hand side.
Below, down. Left side. Come to the left. My left. There is an option. There is two windows are there. You and myself both are. No. Down. Yeah. You selected that. Select that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Give me control. Click on allow. Allow here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, hey, I'm operating on Amit PC. So where is this Teams? Okay. This is the one. Okay. So go to Teams here. So you are in the Teams. Go to the all Teams. Okay.
Yeah.
And then there is an option called join or create team. Click that one. And there is an option called join a team with your code. Enter the code.
Okay. Yeah.
Click on join team. Yeah, it's working. Wait a minute. Okay. Now you are in SPPU FRP team. Okay. Click. Go to the manage team. To see the members. You are here. Okay. Because Amit is a member, so he is not able to operate anyone. We don't have any control on any of these members.
Okay.
Only owner has the right whether to keep them or remove them or put some tags also. You cannot add any tag. Tag option comes only to the owner. So now you cannot make anyone member, cannot remove any member, cannot change any of these roles.
So I can change also, yeah, owner and member.
No, you can't. You also not able to quit that group also. There is no option for you. The joining only there. The owner has to remove you from the group.
Okay.
The same thing will happen to your students. Once you become a teacher, you created a team. The students will join into your team. That's it. They can't go back.
Okay.
If they want to go, you have to remove them.
Kishore?
Yes.
Suppose my class is starting at 10 o'clock. Okay. And I want to give student window of 10 after 10 minutes to join. and after they want to join, they cannot. Is it possible?
Yes, that's possible. That means they will come and they will stay there. You don't admit them into the class.
Correct. Because ultimately, see, every time if someone comes, then it is disturbing, right? All
Yes,
the
yes.
way, I can give 10 to 15 minutes window, and after that, I will close the admission. Is it possible?
Yeah, it's possible. I will show you that one. Okay, now you guys know how to create a team and then how to admit the students. Okay, Amit, don't close anything.
Okay.
Okay, see, here what happens now? There is an option comes, get link to team. If you click that one, there is a link and you can copy and send it to your students. But don't do that. If the link goes to outside accidentally, they may join in your class. And then you have to go and remove them manually. So the best option will be share your security code, team code. Okay. And let's suppose you have a 60 students in your class and you see already 60 students join in your class. Maybe there is another chance the team code can go outside and then there may be 10 more students can join in your class. How to avoid that one? I will show you that. Amit, are you okay? Now I'm going to take out screen sharing.
Okay, yeah.
You remove the screen share. Close it.
तुम्हारा माइक भी बंद कर दो ना.
माइक बंद करने से पूछना मुश्किल होता है ना.
ओके
जब पूछना है तब पूछो ना. अभी बंद करो ना. अभी अशोक का आवाज नहीं आ रहा है बराबर.
जब पूछना है तब ये करो.
Okay, now see, now Amit also joined in my. Okay, these are the Amul and Amit. Where you went? Okay, maybe you didn't refresh. Okay. Now I don't want any new students because I already shared my team code with the student. It may go outside and may mess up everything. So what you have to do is in that case, once you realize all your students joined in the class, then go to settings, go to team code and reset that team code. So the team code is changed.
Okay.
If someone want to join with the old team code,
this won't work.
They are not able to join into your team.
Okay.
In that way we can control the inflow.
But Kishore, there is a problem that if suppose unfortunately some students' internet connection get hampered, and if you want to join again, then he has to use. He can't do it.
No. This is to join into the team, not for the meeting.
Okay, fine.
Once they joined in a team, that means they know they will get all information about the teaching.
I understand.
Nothing to do with meeting.
Okay.
This is only to join into your team. This is a one-time process.
Okay.
Once the student joined, they will not be able to leave that thing.
Okay.
So only the owner has the right.
Okay.
They can either keep them or remove.
Okay.
If they are misbehaving, you can remove them.
Okay.
Like in the class, if they are misbehaving, you send outside. No?
So you have not yet started meeting?
No, I didn't start the meeting. I'm just giving an introduction how to create a team and this one. Okay. Okay. Now, the best way here there's an option. Amit.
So, if I would like to add a channel, then it would make that.
No, I'm going for that. Wait. I'm going for that. Okay. If you create any videos, most of these videos are visible to all the university people. So what you do is better you organize your classroom in such a way, create a channel. For that, you have to go here, then click add channel. And then maybe it's online class, let's say Zoom. Okay. And then here the privacy settings is there. Suppose if you don't want all the team members to be joined in this one. So then you can choose that it is a private team. A private team accessible to only a specific group of people within the team. Let's suppose I will put this one. And then I will add only specific people. Like if I want to add only Amol to this group.
Kishore, can we not select a team for this directly?
Which one?
For creating access to the class that you have created, or giving access to the class, can you not add the team that you created directly?
Yeah, that you can add, but here I made it a private team.
Private team.
Oh, no. Even for that private team, no. Can you not add the private team that FRP SVPU is your private team? No, nobody else can access it. So can we not add?
No, within that he's saying within that
team again, it is a private channel.
Okay.
Okay, it is like a channel is like a different rooms.
I get it. Thank you.
Okay. So suppose you have a bedroom, kitchen, and everything. If don't allow someone into bedroom, someone don't allow into kitchen, then you can choose that. Now, are you able to see online class in your teams?
Yes.
And that log signifies that it is a log channel, right?
It is a lock channel. Only Amol can open this one. And other than open, you try. Shilpi, can you try?
Yeah, I'll just try. No, I can't see it.
Yes. Only Amol can see and myself because I am the owner.
I can
created. And Amit, are you able to? No, see in the sense you can see this left hand side, but you can't enter inside.
No, I cannot even
Yes.
see that left hand side. I cannot see
enter
that lock.
Yeah, it will be visible to everyone.
But it's not visible to me.
Okay, that means okay, you don't know that room is there.
I don't know that room. That lock symbol is not appeared here.
Okay, and Shilpi, what about you? Hello.
Kishore.
Are you able
it
to
is
see
only
that?
showing me that general, nothing else.
Correct.
Okay, because you people are not in the team, so it is not visible to you. Might be Amol can see this.
Yeah.
Hello.
Amol, can you confirm?
Yeah, if I put the standard accessible to everyone on the team, then it's showing the add, cancel and add. And if I change the private only accessible to a specific group of people, then it is showing cancel or next. Am I right?
No, wait a minute. I will come back. So are you able to see Amit? Now I'm going to add a member here. Amit.
No.
Amit?
Yeah.
Amit?
Yes.
Amit 9454. Okay. Now Amit can see this one. Amit and Amol both can see this.
I can see.
Yeah, and no one else like Tuli and.
How can I see?
Amit, are you able to see?
No. How can I see?
You go back to the team and come back again. That means you have to refresh.
Team module.
जीत
team.
उनका मैजिक स्कूल बस खत्म हो गया वही लगा
Amol is okay.
लगा रहे हैं बेटा लगा रहे हैं
Amit, can you enter a message?
I entered the message.
Amit.
I can't see the message.
Message, yeah.
Okay, this is a private team. If you want to have any student, then you can see.
लगा रहे हैं पापा जाओ बाहर
You can manage this channel also. This is a special channel. Only 2 people are visible here. One guest. This is a kind of a full team, sub team. It's a kind of a sub team.
Yes.
So if we go to the setting.
Amit, can you switch off your microphone? Yeah.
Here, these are the options. Try to keep this one is don't
सर और एक
use
बार बोलो ना सर, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
wait a minute. Hello. हाँ. अच्छा मुझे मराठी नहीं आते हैं आप. हाँ हाँ. नहीं यूनिवर्सिटी के इधर से 2 किलोमीटर है.
चाय कौन पीने आ रहा है? मैं चाय पी रहा हूँ.
हाँ मैं इधर 6 बजे तक रहता हूँ. एटमॉस्फेरिक सिस्टम.
अमित, शिल्पी चाय पी रहे हो?
हाँ जाना पड़ेगा.
भेजिए ऑनलाइन.
ऑनलाइन भेज देता है.
Okay. Okay, we'll go again to the channels, add channel, and then you create a standard channel. Maybe I'm adding one more channel with the standard accessible to everyone. Okay, now this channel is available to everyone.
Okay.
Everyone able to see this
Not
channel.
sure it is visible
Yes.
to us.
Yes. Okay. Now, how to start a lesson? I mean, how to create a meeting?
किशोर,
Some, I mean,
SPPU टीम के नीचे जनरल मीटिंग है और ऐड चैनल जो है उधर जाके कैसे देख रहा हूँ.
I don't understand. Can you call me on WhatsApp? Okay. This is you click and add channel.
Kishore, one more thing. If you add something by mistake, you can delete it, right?
Yes. If you go here, I don't want. I want to remove this one. Delete this channel.
Okay.
The channel is deleted. One minute. Huh? Amit, बोलो.
हाँ, ये देखिए, ये जा रहा है.
क्या हुआ? No, you can't add anything because you are a member only.
हाँ, तो अभी जो देख रहा था ऐड चैनल करके,
No, you
कैसे
can't.
देख?
No, if you want to add any channel, you have to be a owner.
Okay.
If you are not a owner in any team, you can't add anything.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Other, can you try this one? Go there, whatever the channel. Okay, you also guys try this one. There is a channel. Let me go this. Go to. Can you go to this STPU FRP channel team and click on this and then click on leave the team. This option is coming.
No, it's not coming. Leave the team is not there.
Shilpi,
Huh?
are you able to see that leave option, leave the team option?
Yes, I can.
Yes.
Okay,
Which one,
that means
for fun or for general?
just click on the teams.
उनके ऊपर है जो 3 डॉट है ना उधर.
No. I'm asking for general or for fun.
No. You go to that SPPU FRP. That is
Yes.
three
Okay.
dots are there. Na? Click there and then see what are the options are available.
No. Only the SPP FRP team that get manage team, get link to team, and manage tags. Only 3 options are there.
Okay, because you are not the owner, you are only member, so you won't get that access.
Sure, I can see all of the tags that you have here. All the tabs you can see here, no? I can
Yeah,
see
because
everything because I'm a owner. I can see everything.
yes, that means owner can leave the team
Okay.
by clicking this, but not the members. Members
Okay.
only be removed by the owner.
Okay.
Okay, this is the one. Now I created this channel. Now I want to conduct a meeting. Okay? What I have to do is go to the calendar.
Kishore,
Yes,
meeting
yes.
would be conducted in that fun group or it will be conducted in the main FRP group?
Fun group. It is in a new channel. Don't
Okay.
go for a general channel. If you create any videos in the general channel, that is visible to most all the people.
Okay, I get it.
So better you go to your private channel and then go to the calendar and then go here, new meeting. Here you click here, click on schedule meeting.
Sorry, main channel किधर जाऊँ?
Go to the calendar. Wait. Go to the calendar.
Yeah.
And there is a option. Can you switch off your mic? Okay. Go to the calendar and new meeting, schedule meeting option. Okay. Now you enter one meeting title, maybe guest. And then give the timing, what time you want. Then maybe I'm well in advance of 4 to 4:30. Then once it is done, you have to choose whether you want to repeat the meeting regularly. I mean, with the weekly ones or daily, then you have to choose this option. If you don't want to repeat this thing, choose that who doesn't repeat.
Kishore?
Yes.
Can I ask one question? Sorry, I'm going back again. So, supposing somebody created a team for me, right? And there are two tabs I can see there. One is general and one is like fun you created, and there's another one. So, is there an option that I can modify the channel that has been created for me?
Yes, you can create that one.
How
I will
will
show
you
you.
do that?
So go here, add channel option.
No, I don't want to add the channel. I
Okay,
want
now
to modify
if you don't
a channel.
no,
Like,
if you
this.
See here, what happens now? You have to locate under which team you want a meeting.
Okay.
So let's take SPP FRP, and then you have to choose the channel. Let's take I can choose general, and then send. Okay, just click send button. The meeting will be created. Now you go to the teams, and then you can see here the test option. So now your question is how to change this teams.
So now my question is that supposing this fun channel that you have created, it is an open channel, everybody can access it. Now I want to change it to some few people can access it. Okay, how will you
that option is not coming?
Huh?
That option is not coming. I tried that one.
What the hell?
See, and then once you create a channel defined, you can't change that to another channel also, the meeting. While you are creating a meeting, you have to do yourself. Otherwise, you have to cancel this meeting and then create a new meeting in the channel where you want to do. See, now Amul created a channel meeting here. If I go here, view meeting details, I could see only these options. I can't see all the options. I will go. I'll show you how it goes. So here itself, I'm creating a meeting, test meeting. Here's my test meeting, and then I'm putting in SPPO fun channel. Okay, and then send. So now let me go to the Teams. So this is Amul created. We go to the view meeting details. See what are the options I can see. Okay. If you go back again And this is the meeting I created. If I see the meeting details, I could see the options also. Adding a new candidates and modifying the team. Someone is created a meeting, you can't modify that one. Even though you be a owner of the team, you don't have any right. Okay. So these are the options. How to create a meeting team. Okay, now how to send this link to the student. So you already created, I already created members. No? So what I do is I'll call at the, wait a minute, at the rate, I choose SPPU. Okay, then some message and then send. Now everyone will get a notification. Okay. Is it clear so far?
Yes.
Any questions about the meeting creation? Okay. Now the other second thing is.
Hello.
Yes.
वो जो लोकेशन आप दिखा रहा ना तो वो लोकेशन मेरा नहीं आ रहा है क्यों?
Location?
ऐड लोकेशन जो है उधर जो क्लिक कर रहा कुछ नहीं आ रहा.
Okay. Can you share your screen? Amit,
हाँ.
share your screen.
कैसे बोला था मैं भूल गया.
It's a learning
Share options.
Sorry.
It's a
Click on
learning
the share
for all of us.
It's funny also.
Amit, there is a share content. Okay, I will show you. Let me share my screen. Are you able to see this screen here?
Yes.
This kind of option is there. People, show participant. For you, it will be in the down. There is an option called raise hand, chat window.
Yeah, raise that. Yeah.
Chat window. Next to that, more actions.
Yeah. Sure.
And
Yeah.
camera. And then share content.
Right. I did.
Click that one.
Yes.
Click that one and choose the.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, allow me.
Yes.
Hello here.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the problem here is you are looking in an activity.
Yes.
You don't look for there. Go to the team. By the way, you can't create a meeting here. Okay, let me do a simple thing for you. Where is your class team? This is your class team now. Amit, is it your class team? Otherwise, I will create a new class team. create a new team, last team. Right. Then go to the teachers, add me in that. 9454. Okay. Go to add channel. This is standard channel. Add. Now go to the calendar. Go to new meeting. And then try then come to the channel. This is the trial team, and then fun facts. And click on send. Okay. Now you go to the team. Okay. This is your team. So click on this. Go to the fun facts. You'll see this option. Is it clear? Okay. See, Shailesh.
Yes.
You were asking some how to generate the team code. Na? Now I'm showing that one. Go to the manage team. Then go to the settings. And then here you see the team code option. And this kind of option will come if it is a new team.
Oh. Okay.
Then if you press that one, it creates a code.
Okay.
And then you just share this code with your students.
Okay.
Okay. For example, I'm going to share with chat box. Where is this chat box? Chat window. Okay.
Okay.
Now you people can try this one.
I cannot try because I logged out from my laptop and I'm on the mobile. So because my laptop battery is ran out of charge.
Okay,
so,
no problem. No problem. You go to the mobile itself. Go to the team option. There is a team option is there in the down.
Okay.
Go there, and there, if you go down.
Where is the team option? In mobile, where is it?
In the mobile, in the down, you have an activity, chat, teams, assignments, more options are there.
No, I have only put on hold, stop recording, turn on live option, caption, share, raise hand. This kind of thing is there.
Okay, maybe
because I joined as a guest again. That's why.
Okay. So you won't get the option. Okay, इसने निकाल दिया sharing.
Okay, fine. So you continue.
Okay, now is it clear to you how to create a team and everything? Okay, now how to control the students?
Yes.
The option is how to control the student. See, once you create a meeting, you click here, go to the view meeting details.
Okay.
Wait a minute, and then it will show you meeting option. Then once you got that meeting option, here is your control on the students. you don't want the students come start a meeting and then start recording. So for that, what you have to do is you click here and choose who can bypass the lobby. Choose as only me. That means the students will not join this meeting without your permission. Even though they start the meeting, they cannot record anything. They can't do anything. Okay. You put first every time this option.
So how do you, can you once repeat your last step?
Okay. You go to the meeting options, the calendar, click on meeting options.
Okay.
Then this kind of window will open in a browser.
Okay.
Let it open. So here there are 4 options. Who can, are you able to see?
Okay.
Who can bypass the lobby? There are plenty of options are there. Everyone.
Okay.
And then people in organization. And then here you keep only me. That means what is happening here? You have the key to enter into that room. Like you have a meeting room. The students come and they stay in the lobby only until unless you admit them into the meeting. Okay. And now you can save this option. Okay. You said one more thing that students don't want to permit the students after 15 minutes.
Okay.
So what you do, once if you put this one, they will come and wait in the meeting lobby. Okay. For that lobby people, you have to admit them into the meeting. I will show you how to do that.
Okay.
So after 15 minutes, again go to the meeting options and choose this option. Set as only me. Okay. Once you put only me, or whoever the student comes, they cannot enter into your class.
Okay.
They will be staying outside only. You have to admit them. I don't want the students to come into the meeting in the middle. Put this option.
Okay. Instead of everyone, I have to do only.
What?
Instead of who can present, instead of everyone, you have to.
Instead of everyone, you put is only me. Who can bypass the law? Okay. Then save it. Okay.
So after 15 minutes, I have to do it manually, right?
No. You do one thing. You keep the option. Just admit before 15 minutes. If someone is coming after 15 minutes, don't admit into the meeting.
Okay.
I will show you that option also, how to do that. Okay. This meeting is created. I'm going to call this. I'm going to create this join meeting now. Okay. Are you able to see my screen sharing?
No,
now,
not yet.
Oh, okay.
It is asking us to join a meeting that you started.
Yes. Now.
So should we join?
No. I want to give a. Okay. See, now Amol and everyone is in the lobby. Are you able to see the screen?
No, I cannot. I'm not able to see.
Now? Okay, I can't do that because it's already one call is in progress.
Yes, that's right.
So the second call cannot be done. Okay. So they will be staying in the lobby. So then you have to admit them manually.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to leave that option. Okay. Okay, we are back.
Okay.
Okay, that is about how to control the students. Okay, so uh, now the time is 4:30, and you want to start the meeting. How to start the meeting? You go here and click the view meeting options, and then click the join meeting,
Okay.
and then the meeting will start.
Okay.
Now all the students will come and join in the meeting. Okay. Once they start the meeting, see here there are options. Plenty of options are there. You can choose them this way. Together mode. Can you switch on your video, Amol? This is one kind of fun fact. If you switch on this, then the students will be just like they are sitting in your classroom.
So what is the option for that?
Okay. Here in the more options.
Okay, okay.
Go
In
to
the
the
more option.
together mode preview.
Okay, okay. Okay.
And there are multiple options also there. You can turn on. Okay. If you want to your captions, choose turn on live captions. Whatever you're speaking, that will come there.
Okay.
And then earlier it will be here is start recording option. Okay. Before you start your class, you switch on your.
Kishore, one question. So start recording option only visible to you, right? Not to student.
Students also can see that, not the guest.
No. But record. I don't want student to record the lecture. Is there any option?
That's right. That's why what I'm telling is, you start recording first.
Acha. Okay.
Then, if you start recording, they cannot do anything. Suppose if a student start the recording, then you can press that as stop recording.
Acha.
Because you are the owner, you have a control on your recording.
Okay.
Then you switch on that one, and then you start recording.
Okay. But I cannot stop. Suppose if I don't press recording, suppose if I forgot to press recording, then student can record, right?
Yeah, student can record, but the problem is students are using their mobile network.
Okay.
If mobile network crashes, I mean they didn't get the signal, the recording will fail. You won't get that video. The same thing happened with your physics department. The first day, I will show you that example also. This is the meeting, physics meeting. Okay. They create the students. They started meeting.
Okay.
They started recording, and then they are not able to. Wait a minute. This guy started meeting, started recording, but because that person had a problem, so the video is not recorded and uploaded into streams.
Okay.
These are the problems.
Okay.
So to avoid this one, you start recording.
Okay.
Once you start recording, that will be there. Don't worry. You can strip that video and then upload to the students. If you want to cut down some pieces of the video, you can do that.
Okay.
If you want control on the video recording, you start video recording. If you forget, if students are started, then you stop that recording and you start again.
Okay.
And don't give permission to the students to start the recording. And tell in the starting itself, don't record video. If they started recording because of their poor connectivity, mobile connectivity, will be in trouble.
Okay.
So
Kishore, supposing I am recording and the network goes in between, so that recording will not be saved?
Yeah, that's why you are in the university only, na?
But university I don't use Vayudut.
Why? Why not? What about the LAN connection?
LAN my Mac, it does not support that Mac.
Why?
मोटा है उसका पिन, वो जाता नहीं है.
पिन नहीं है आपके पास?
नहीं, मेरे पास जो मैक का वो है, उसके अंदर जो हमारे डिपार्टमेंट के पिन्स हैं वो जाते नहीं है.
Now then you need a Thunderbolt.
I have that, but उसमें भी नहीं जाता है वो हमारे डिपार्टमेंट में. I don't know which जमाने का है वो.
Okay, then I'll suggest you one thing. Have a empty sockets.
What?
Empty sockets है आपके पास? Wi-Fi cable का? Just get one router. It's 500 rupees or something.
ठीक है.
And then connect that one and make that router as a Wi-Fi router.
Okay.
And then you connect it with that Wi-Fi router.
ठीक है.
That is the best option. Otherwise, you will be going to face a lot of problems. If the internet is going, then a big issue.
Otherwise, for Zoom and everything else, like even now I'm using my mobile. Generally, it does not give problems, but kabhi mobile also, it will.
Yeah. That is the one reason we are not allowing the students, because we are getting the internet.
Okay.
So that is the problem. So once the meeting is okay, that is the meeting thing. Is it clear? Any doubts about?
And Kishore, where the video will be stored?
Yeah, that I will show you. First, there is no question about the meeting and all the things, no? No. Okay. Now, another thing, what we need is for students, we have to take the attendance. Okay. To take the attendance, what you have to do is, there is option is here. Participants option is there. Are you able to see in your screen?
No.
Here. Show participants.
कहाँ पे है? दिख नहीं रहा है.
There is a rise window, chat window. There is a hide participants option is there.
Right.
Okay. Because I'm conducting the meeting, so I have a right to download. But for your people, it will not pop up here.
Yeah.
Here, participants.
So it is while meeting in progress. This is this way to do while meeting in progress, right?
Yeah. Before you sign out, before you leave the meeting.
Okay.
You have to do this. So click here, and here option comes download attendance list.
Okay, I got it.
There is option also manage permissions. Again, it will take you the previous one.
Okay.
Meeting option is multiple places. Okay. This is the way you can download the attendance sheet.
Okay.
There is an option you may forget to download every day. So in that case, what I suggest you is go to your team. Let's take here, and then here there is you can add any tab. Okay, click this tab, and then enter insights. This is a app. You add this app.
Okay.
What it do is it will take the activity. I will show you how this is recorded. So now it is saved. Okay. So here you could see the insights. I will demonstrate with one of my team activity. So I will go to my class team. This is my class team. So I have that option here as insights. All these students, all my students are listed here. So let's go for a specific date. I had a class, and yesterday I had a class. I had a class around 2:30, and these candidates joined the class at 3:20. Actually,
Okay.
he was there only 40 minutes out of 51 minutes class.
Oh.
This student is there. Okay. Wait a minute. It is going out. Okay. Are you able to see?
Yes.
Okay. The student was in a meeting, only 2-minute meeting, and then again I had a break because I have a problem with technical issue. So I, I started the meeting and closed the meeting and started again. So the last meeting was 51 minutes. So the student joined it. He was there in 43 minutes. If I want to get so specifically, I can dig here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Kishore, anything else important is there? I have to go
Yes.
take care of kids.
Okay. This is the one. If you add insight option, then it will be easier for you. And then you can export to Excel. You can know for next maybe once in a month or maybe all time you can export into Excel. You'll get consolidated attendance sheet. You don't need to do that manually for each meeting time. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions?
So, Kishore, for
Okay.
every lecture, we have to create that code, right?
No. The code is for a team only one time. Every
No,
time you're doing is
for meeting.
meeting link you have to do. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
this is the one meeting recently done with my students recorded. So okay, once your meeting is over, it will take maybe 10-15 minutes to create a video. So once the video is created, go to the options here, more options. You can open in Microsoft Teams or you can play also here. I think here if you click on this, it will play the video.
Okay.
You can go to the Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Stream. Wait a minute. Open, if you click here, open in Microsoft Stream.
Okay.
All your videos will be stored here.
Okay.
It's coming, taking a little time. Then, because you are the owner, you go to the My Content, Videos.
Okay.
And then here the option comes. Click on here, download option, trim the video, delete video. You delete the video, it will be in your recycle bin for next 30 days.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
just check if it is visible to private. That means only your team members will see this. The owner of your team or maybe students of your team can see the video. There is another option. If you go here, then you can change this settings also. I think that will come here. update video details. There is an option called allow everyone in your company to view the video. If you click this one, click apply. Now you see here showing the green color company.
Okay.
That means all the university have access.
Kishore, approximately for
If you want to remove
Hello?
that option, 1 minute. You can go back again, remove this tick. Yes. And except you and your team, no one able to see this video. Now it is saying limited. Okay. Yeah. What is your question?
Hello.
So approximately for 1 hour lecture, what is the size approximately?
Size, you mean, I took 1.5 hour lecture. It is about 300 MB.
Okay. Okay.
Kishore, I have one more question in Teams.
Yes. Yes.
So there are a lot of applications now been embedded with the Teams, right?
Yes.
So when we are using the Teams for our class, how to make use of those some kind of apps? For example, there are certain apps for doing mathematics or doing editing. So how to use that while taking the class? Like, can you?
Okay. Yeah, I will show you that. I
give us some
already showed.
useful idea about some useful apps there.
Yes, yes. I already showed you one Insight app.
Yeah.
That is for attendance. The same way, suppose if you want to take, let me go to our own team, SPPU FRP. So here this option comes here. You can, anywhere you can put this. There is a plus mark is there. Add tab option is coming. Okay. Click that one. So which one you wanted?
So let's see if you want to use a PowerPoint or something.
PowerPoint, okay, you can add. Those are simple things. This is a Poly.
Okay, show me Poly. Yeah, what is it?
Poly is like take a poll. Polls.
Okay. Okay.
Click that one. And then if it is a new first time you are doing, then it will ask, click here, add. If it is a first time, then it will ask you to log in here.
Okay.
Sign in with your Microsoft account. Otherwise, sometimes what you have to do is you have to add, you have to register for that. So Poly I registered, so automatically it came here. Okay. Now I can create any one code. This is the one way. If you want to use a whiteboard, okay, whiteboard. For that, we are generally using a whiteboard coming with Windows. I mean Microsoft Teams. There is another app. It's called. I'll show you. This is a free and InVision. This is a whiteboard app. This one you have to. When you click this one, it will ask you to sign in.
Okay.
Or sign up. Because I already signing, so I just getting directly the option is coming.
So Kishore, the signing in is same as your Teams login, right? Microsoft Teams login.
Yeah, Microsoft Teams login. Okay, I think Amul, it will be better. Can you share your Teams? Give me control. I will show you how to do that.
What is the specific?
You mean in Teams? Shall I share the screen or what?
Yeah, you share your screen.
Yes. 1 second.
And then I will show you as I done for Amit.
Yes.
Same way.
Okay. Share the screen. Teams only. Okay. Shared.
Okay. Wait a minute. I have to. Okay, you shared, na?
Yeah.
Request control.
Give me
Allow. Yeah.
non-chemical method of detecting errors.
Yeah.
You have to allow me.
Yeah, I allowed you. Your screen
Allow
is
me.
moving. Yeah, you are moving.
Yeah. Okay. Now we go to.
I just wanted to see if you are able to see in here.
Go to team. Okay.
Yeah.
So, can we go to your special team?
Which
So
one?
we need to-
IPR? You want to go IPR?
Yeah.
Go there.
Click. Okay. Here you want to add a one.
Yes.
This. So click here. Then put insights. Already added insights with him.
No.
Click that one. Here it is asking add.
Right.
Click
So
add up.
this is not. It's not specific to one particular part. There are multiple cells which are part of diabetes, cancer. There are tons of. So how do you specifically target?
So insights contains all the information because just now you added. Tomorrow you can see the students how much time they spend in your team.
Okay.
It will give you.
So Kishore, what was this whiteboard you are talking about?
Whiteboard. Can you?
I will show you.
So
I will show you that.
Kishore, I have one query. If I have a touchscreen laptop,
yes,
and I want to use the touchscreen like a you have bought the touchpad, right, to show what you will write. So similar thing I can do on my touchpad, right? Because I have the pen.
You can do that. You can do that. For that, what you have to do?
Which is the app I can use to use it as a my whiteboard?
Okay. Click here. And then here you have to enter that IN share vision. Let me check the app name. 1 minute. Free and by InVision.
Which one?
Okay, free.
Okay.
And this one.
Yeah.
Click that one.
Free and by InVision. Okay.
Yeah. Click that app. Okay. Now we add.
Shilpi, mask lagao.
Sorry.
Okay. You have to sign up button.
Yeah. Okay.
Click sign up button.
We have to use the same thing 9383 at.
No. You have your Unipuni ID, na?
Unipune,
That link. Is it open there? I can't see anything.
Yeah.
Which ID you are using, Kishore?
Which one?
Which ID we have to use?
No, your email address.
Acha, email, Gmail address. I mean.
Not Gmail, university ID. So what happened, Amol?
Yeah. I am using my Unipune email, giving my name and password.
Oh, it is not visible to us. That's why.
Oh, you can't see the screen. I'm working on this.
No. I could see only gray color screen.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, I have got some. They are saying you got some code. You put the code there. I'm gonna retrieve the code from my email address.
Yeah, go to the email and then.
So you have to create an account first, or you have to directly you can just sign in.
Kishore.
Yes.
Good news. One of my paper got accepted.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Impact factor कितना है?
Impact factor 4 point something है.
Oh my God.
Congratulations, शिल्पी अभी पार्टी दे दो यही पे फोन.
अमूल ये मेरा second paper है biological chemistry में.
सेकंड है, अरे बाप रे।
हाँ, एक अभी लास्ट वीक हुआ था, एक अभी हुआ है।
हाँ, एक के पीछे एक सिर्फ जेबीसी में।
जेपीसी नहीं,
बायोलॉजिकल केमिस्ट्री और बायोकेमिकल केमिस्ट्री।
बायोलॉजिकल केमिस्ट्री।
हाँ,
So now you are true that you are becoming Buddha.
yeah.
You are becoming old because you are
I'm
getting so many
old.
papers.
My health is
Impact.
also getting bad.
No, your
What-
paper.
हाँ, so this आइन क्या हुआ? तो कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, ग्रे स्किन आ रहा है।
नहीं, मैंने ज्वाइन कर लिया।
ज्वाइन किया?
हाँ, ये आ गया
Okay.
ना।
आ गया?
No, but we are seeing on
We are not able to see anything.
हाँ,
It says researcher, product manager and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah. Okay, sign in करो.
हाँ, साइन इन कर लिया।
Again, grey skin आया.
एक मिनट,
इसके पहले कौन सा बायोलॉजिकल केमिस्ट्री में है?
वो
रिव्यू जो है, और इसके पहले एक और है
वो तो अलग है।
जीत की आवाज आ रही है।
ओह सॉरी।
नहीं, मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ जीत की। आ गया।
Okay, now you add one name like whiteboard or whatever you want.
Yes.
Yeah, it will take a little time.
It should have been done by now.
Yeah, you may go back. You create some other name. Some fun. Okay, click on new.
क्यों नहीं आ रहा है?
Oh, time लगता है. Will take time. Some time.
It's taking
Okay. Okay, that is the one that
Yeah.
you have to do manually. Some other what you call sign up. There is another option called Poly. Can you click Poly? Vivo. आ गया.
Yeah.
You click this one. Click add.
Yeah. So does it work now for that password will work for every app that I add, or we have to go for each
Yes.
app? Okay.
No, Poly. Add Poly. Okay,
Save.
scroll down.
Yeah.
Here, sign in with your Microsoft account. So some apps you can access just through your Microsoft account. Some you have to do special sign up. Yeah,
So Poly is taking our Teams account only. We have to just accept it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then go to create, and then you can ask questions to the students. Like go down, then multiple choices. You can ask this some question here. Enter the question.
Everybody is able to see, right? What is happening?
Yes.
Amit.
We lost Amit. Shilpi.
Yes.
So Kishore, this video you will save this video, na?
Huh?
This video will be there, right? Because I have to go now. I will see it later. So this video will be there, right?
Yeah. Done. I'm done. It's already more than what you expected.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can go. Not a problem.
Okay, so if I want to see this video, then I have to go to our team, the teams which you have created now, and there it will be there, right?
I will upload to YouTube and then share with you. Don't worry.
Okay then. Okay,
Here,
then I'm leaving.
You can take your phone
So we are
Mhm.
going tomorrow, right? Before we end, are we going tomorrow to finance office or on Thursday? On Thursday.
Tomorrow mine is prepared, but
Thursday
let
would
us
be
see.
better.
Thursday, I think Rohini is saying
Not
it's on Thursday. He is not there tomorrow, Joshi ji.
He's not there
Okay,
tomorrow.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
So I
Thursday we
gave,
can go.
So Thursday we are going. Okay. So be ready. Thursday we'll go.
I gave my
Okay.
documents to
Rohini?
Shita madam.
Okay. Okay.
So let them what they do.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay then. Okay, so Amol, Kishore, thanks. I am leaving. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have to.
We are also.
Okay.
Okay, man. Okay, this is a Poly app.
Yeah.
Okay, and you create one question and then you can post into your student. You will try to read how to operate this one. Okay. So another thing is Renu was asking how to take exams. There is a concept called assignments here. Yeah. Okay, Amul, I'm taking the screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Use
So yeah, for exams, what you have to do is there is assignment tab is there. You create assignments here, and then based on that you can give the marks and all the things. This is a kind of app.
So this is not insight, right?
No,
Kishore,
this is default.
Teams only. This is Teams only.
It comes with a classroom team.
Classroom team only. Yeah. Okay.
If you go for another team, there are 3 more teams. You won't get this option.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. And I showed you how to access the video also. Okay. Is there any questions? Done.
किशोर हम लोग अभी यूज करते हैं 8-10 दिन उसके बाद और क्वेश्चन आएंगे तो सबके क्वेश्चन के लिए एक आध बार फिर से मिलते हैं बाकी लोगों का एक एक क्वेश्चन होगा
You can ask the questions separately also, not a problem.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you, Kishore.
Thank you, Kishore.
Thank you.
Sure, welcome. Welcome. I'm stopping the recording now.
Yes.